Mamuna ko ganyan, ma.
Nyabrano pa ko.
Panginya, Braem.
Ingat niluto.
Ingat niluto. Ipunta ko sa pingping ko.
Yan niluto pa, pakita mo doon sa Janela, yung niluto mo kaya. Pakita mo doon sa kanya niluto mo, kaya ano.
Masen.
Ayan o.
Wow, amazing.
Yung gulay.
Yung gulay man.
Wow.
Wow, gimasen.
Di kulang sa'yo.
Ada di cooking niya, pero may solo.
Babi ulam namin.
Babi olam mi panty. Happy.
Wala akong niluto, hindi ako kumain pa ha. I'm not eating, brother. You know, I'm diet. Janela lang ha, pinakain ko.
Ano ko ganyan na? Silaw. Tama.
Papangne.
Tata.
You're only 14. Why would you do something like this? Just then, the missing boy stepped forward and said, "Please don't be angry." He was really tiny.
Oh!
He his head and quietly said, "I'm sorry. I thought he didn't have a For a while, it felt like a fight.
Si CJ parang natulog na. Parang natulog na, sabi ko si CJ. Bye-bye pa. Thank you.
For watching. Hindi pa natulog si kuya lang.
Malis ka. Umalis na.
Antas ka si Jay. Ay, di nila. Bagoong yan? Bagoongin. Ano yung nilalagay ni Janwe?
Teacher put 8 slices of watermelon on the table. The first 2 students took turns to take the biggest slices and thank their teacher. But what the third student did left everyone speechless. He left the big slices with his friends and tried to leave with the smallest slice. But his teacher gave him his own slice of watermelon for his behavior. The students who came after
Lagay mo doon ng lapis lang sa bag mo lang. Wala kang lapis bukas, may pasok mo. Ay, Jen, bebe.
sacrificed herself for her
Ayun
students.
doon.
Unfortunately, the
Lagay mo doon, makatulog ka na rin.
slices of watermelon on the table. The first 2 students took turns to take the biggest slices and thank their teacher. But what the third student did left
Ang lamig-lamig kasi ng ano eh. Damdamatol pang. Bye. Agbuya lang.